So it was a red Friday. I don't know about the weekend, but I sure hope it's a green Monday, laddie.
Yeah, well, it went to Rome yesterday, but the
Oh,
market is
please.
green.
Oh, do leave Juliana out of this, please.
I know it's quite sad, but yeah, Bitcoin is in the green this morning. Ethereum and major altcoins all in the green. Market cap $1.43 trillion, up about 2.79%. The 24-hour volume $55.23 billion traded in the total crypto market. Bitcoin dominance is there at 45.25%, still ranging in that region. And we'll have a price of Bitcoin at 8 a.m., $34,405, about 2.80%. Volume traded this morning, 21.84 billion. As kind of different, most mornings we have about 50 billion traded, but today we have 21. And looking at the 4-hour chart, it's still ranging there. We see it up at the upper Bollinger Band, still on that critical support, the 30K region. Price of Ethereum, $2,157, up 3.19%. Traded this morning, $15.42 billion traded in Ethereum. Top alts by market cap, they're all in the green. BNB topping that counter, up 6.11%. And Cardano, Cardano at $1.37, up 3%. And XRP is doing well, up 5.57%. Let's bring in Olumide additional. Oh, okay, we don't have Olumide right now. Top 5 gainers, TEL, 1 cent, up 25.38%. We have SNX at $13, up 22.84%. And I noticed this morning, I see some exchange tokens actually doing well with some DeFi coins at OKB there, $10, up 13%. And Aave, we have Aave, $320, 47 cents, up 10.94%. Top losers, STX, they're leading that counter, down about 5%. Atom, $14, down 3%. Mana Decentraland at 71 cents, down 2%, and GRT and QNT. So the market is not looking bad, but we still have that massive grayscale unlock coming for Bitcoin. We don't know where that's going to take the price, but traders are anticipating, what could happen. So some might be on the sideline to just, watch how the, unlock goes. So it's a countdown right now for grayscale. And we have a couple of traders, analysts actually predicting that the price will go down. But Bitcoin is in critical support at around the 30K range. We have that other support at 28,000. Let's bring in Olumide additional now. Hello, Olumide.
Yeah, hello, Laddie. Good morning. Happy Monday.
Good morning. Great to have you, Olumide. So we have that massive grayscale unlock coming. What should traders be doing right now?
I think traders should be cautious because there are a lot of things happening now in the market. First of all, the dollar is gaining momentum, and recent macros suggest that the world's most powerful economy considering tightening the economy. So at one point, the risky assets might feel drying cash flows. Then another thing is that I think institutional investors are getting tired about the price range occurring in these crypto assets. So they are moving to more use case scenario. And that's why we see crypto assets like Axie Infinity doing a weekly gain of more than 120%, because these are assets that people use for games. So they are moving towards real case assets. And also you look at the fact that they just concluded Copa America final, Argentina's fan token had a return of more than 400%, suggests that investors are looking more at real case scenarios. But still, the market is still at a very parabolic situation. But we expect that later this year, things will stabilize. But we're not going to see that running that happened in the first quarter happening again. It's very unlikely, Daddy.
All right, but where do you see the price of Bitcoin going forward?
Yes, I think, to be fair, I think I'm expecting Bitcoin to range between 25 to 35 throughout this year, because the fact that there are a lot of, like I said earlier, there are a lot of parameters that you need to consider, and the fact that regulation is tightening. You can see what's happening at the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance is facing regulations from different quarters and is not going to receive because what we are seeing next is that crypto assets others are facing regulation at record levels. And we can see that some founders are already charged for selling unregularized securities. So we're seeing that at a point like this, the market will have to self-correct. And before we see that kind of rally, it will take a couple of months because investors need to be aware of the situation based on regulatory narratives. Although news is coming that Apple is about to invest in Bitcoin, but we don't see any credibility in that because Apple is known for very secretive measures, and they don't invest in risky assets because the fact that they have over $158 billion in the cash at the bank suggests that they should consider this asset, but they're known for investing very conservative instruments. So the market can't seem to see anything exciting now, but you never can tell, you know.
All right, Olumide, thank you so much. Let's hope the bulls can get some catalysts at this point. All right, Nate, that's how the market is looking right now.
Yeah, well, from Olumide, it sounds like it's really dull at this time.
Oh, yeah.
I think this is part of that time where you need to get into the market and get the whole coins or something and just stay safe and keep your head down.
Do some heavy researching
until
for
things
long-term positions. Yeah.
All right, well, there's always going to be up and there's always going to be down.
Of course.
Well,